Hey, what's going on, everyone? Today we are taking a look at how to create a claims pipeline inside of AgencyZoom. So you can get to your pipelines by hovering over the settings down here and then clicking on pipelines. That'll open up the main page. And then this blue button up top, create pipeline. And then we're going to create a claims pipeline for this one. That's going to open up the claims pipeline settings. So basically you can control which type of claims requests are going to get put into this pipeline here. And you can define how you want them to be categorized as soon as they come in. You can leave it as nothing. You can create service general. You can go create a claims general and make that one come in and then modify it after the fact if you need to. Obviously, we're going to make this a high priority if there's a claim involved. You can also filter this if you want multiple claims pipelines by certain tags. So since you can't do policy type on here, you can always create a tag for that policy and just say, I don't want homeowners in here. I only want auto or vice versa. Completely up to you. You can also just leave that blank and let all claims that you create be populated into this pipeline. How are you going to assign them, right? Account, policy, CSR, producer, or round robin through all the CSRs. And then the usual two buttons down here, capture the requote information and exclude from calculating service response time. That's completely up to you based on your agency and their workflows. So we're going to go ahead and save changes here. And now you can see there's a few stages already pre-built. You can come in and click the pencil icon, just like all the other pipelines, and modify any of the names. You can move them around however you want. You can add a new stage. You can delete stages. Just don't forget to click on this blue save button up here after you make any of your changes. So that way you can go into the lifecycle automation and start building out some automations for it. That is creating a claims pipeline. I'll see you guys soon.